making the aubergine potato sabzi, what I have taken is, I have taken oil, I have preheated the kadai. I have taken 1 big spoon of oil here. The oil is nice and hot, so I am adding some asafoetida, just a pinch or so, and that will be followed by finely chopped onions. Now I have chopped the onions into a chopper. So this is one large onion, very big onion, finely chopped. We need finely chopped onions for this recipe. Now fry the onions until they are a little brown. I will increase the flame here, and at this point I'll add some more oil. That's enough for the recipe now. Stir it until it becomes slightly brown. At this point I'm adding some salt so that the onion cooks very fast. Now by the time the onions are frying, we will just take a look at the vegetables. I have taken baby aubergine here, cut off the stalk, and I have just made a slit like this. And these are the potatoes. I have peeled them and I have cut into a size which is equal to the aubergine. But you need baby aubergines for this recipe. You see that the onions have started to get pink here. At this point I am adding in all the vegetable. This is 250 grams of aubergine and 250 grams of potato. So total it is 500 grams. Stir it very well. Now I will add 6 cloves of garlic which is crushed. Now we will fry everything together. Now let the aubergines, potatoes, onions and garlic cook well together. I will cover it and keep for at least 2 minutes until the vegetables soften here. It is 2 minutes. Let us take a look at the vegetables. The vegetables haven't softened at all. Let us give it a quick stir and keep them for another 5 minutes. So the total softening time should be 7 minutes. I cover it again and let us take a look after 5 minutes. It is 5 minutes and I have already stirred the vegetables twice in between. We'll just open and check if the vegetables have softened. Yes, the aubergine looks to be softened a little, and the potatoes, yes, the potatoes is also softened now. Now we will start adding the spices for the vegetable. Half spoon of turmeric I will add at this point. Spoon of garam masala. Cumin seed powder and coriander seed powder. Cumin seed powder 1 spoon, coriander seed powder half spoon. Now these are black sesame seeds. They are flat black sesame seeds, not the regular sesame seeds. Of that, what I have done is, I have made a powder of that. This is the powder of black sesame seeds, of these seeds. So this 2 big spoons, and Kashmiri red chili powder 2 big spoons. I am adding that into the sabzi. Tamarind paste 1 spoon. You can use fresh tamarind. Jaggery 1 spoon. Mix everything together. Salt 1 spoon. You can put salt to your taste. Now we will put 1 bowl of water, or you can put half a glass of water. Give it a nice mix. I will increase the flame of the gas here and allow it to come to a boil. You can see that the sabzi has come to a vigorous boil. At this point, I will reduce the flame to the minimum and cover the sabzi for 5 minutes. We will take a look after 5 minutes. It is 5 minutes. Let us open and check what is the situation here. Yes, the sabzi looks to be almost ready. It has developed a nice color. This is the gravy that I want. If you want more gravy, you can add a little more water. Let us check for the doneness of the vegetables. Yeah, they are completely done. potato is also done. Good. I will turn off the flame now and we will serve. We will serve our sabzi now. So our steaming hot, nice, a different style of a potato aubergine sabzi is ready.